How to verify OKX. Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can verify your OKX. So then to verify your OKX account, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So you can either verify your account during the creation of your account or after creating your account. So as you can see, in my case, I've not verified my account. So just go ahead and tap on continue verification located right on top. It's going to take you to the verification piece. So basically, to verify your identity or to verify your account, you have to provide in the government issued ID and you have to do the face verification. So for the government issued ID, you could either select either one of it, that is driving license, national ID or passport. Selecting it, you have to go ahead and take a picture of your document. Make sure that the background is clear and that you've taken a clear picture of your photo. The next page is going to ask you to verify your face. So for that, you have to take a selfie. Make sure not to use any sort of or any of the costumes. And once you've done that, it's going to take a couple of hours in order to verify your identity. If the information seems to be invalid or if the uploaded images are invalid, then it's going to ask you to retake it and you'll have to verify it once again. So that's basically how you can verify your OKX account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.